told him that we were going to put some planes on a carrier, try and get to Japan. We had three options. He had the B-26 Marauder, which would never have worked on a carrier. His takeoff roll was way too long. And then he had the Douglas B-18. And that airplane had too big a wingspan. It would never have cleared the aircraft carrier. But you think of only one airplane then exists where it conducted all the way from Oregon, Pendleton, Oregon, down to Egland Field in Florida. These airplanes were stripped of unnecessary weight and refueled, fuel whackers that didn't actually range. And a lot of the guns were a designated launch point, and they had to launch at the time, so that means more fuel. They might not make it to China. The planes never were intended to land back on the carrier. They wouldn't have been able to. The idea was for them to take off from the carrier, perform their attack, and then fly on to friendly China, and then those airplanes were to re-equip the Far East Air Force over there. Well, they had to take off early. 15 of the 16 planes met their objective on target. One of them still dropped the rope, and they weren't doing the right thing. But anyway, they crashed landed this crew over China. Some of them had to ditch off the coast of China. They ran out of fuel. And he thought the mission was a failure. He actually thought, oh, it's a failure. Back to home defense. Well, if they thin out the islands, that means our island hopping campaign was a little bit easier now. Second of all, it made them think that we could strike at any time. But what it really did was gave a morale booster for the United States and its people. It showed that we could strike back quickly, and we were going to be effective at it, and there was hope in this war, that we were so far on the ropes for 4 months, so we were on the ropes in the Pacific, as Japanese had everything. But a raid will go down in history, in my opinion, as one of the most courageous teams ever performed by any American military outfit. Until raiders, there's not 3 or 4 of them close to that. And the eights flying together. As I've said so many times today, there's only 7 of these flyable in the whole world. You've seen them flyable here today.
We run across something. Table. What are you thinking of doing? For the tank destroyer? The Achilles? This is for the Achilles? Yeah.